Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you what does clear cache means on TikTok. Every time when we visit the app and watch videos on TikTok, then our phone will download a little bit of cache or little bit of video and save it as cache. Every time when you watch the video, it's just a small amount it will save as cache, but after a while, maybe month later, and you have never cleared your cache, it may take a decent amount of space and it takes your space up on your phone. On the bottom right corner, tap on profile icon. When you enter on your profile page, on the top right corner, tap on three-lined icon. Then tap on settings and privacy. When you enter on settings and privacy, under cache and cellular, tap on free up space. Here you can see my cache has occupied 1212.1 MB. So if you are really active on TikTok, it may occupy your phone storage. So every month it is necessary to clear cache. So this is what clear cache means. Thank you for watching.